This is war. Yes, son. This yes. Nothing. Yes, sir.
Don't go that side. Pass it door here. Pass it door here.
This ESN at work now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Protect our land. Protect the land. Fulani must leave our land. Yes, sir. We're doing the needful today. We are doing the needful today. Fulani must leave our land. That is all we were saying. Fulani must leave our land. They are committing too much atrocities in Biafra land. All we are saying that Fulani must leave Biafra land. It's okay. ESN is on the ground doing the needful. All we are saying that is Fulani must leave our land. This is their house. They are in Biafra land committing too much atrocities, kidnapping our women and our children. So ESN is on the ground today, being the 10th of November 2025, doing the needful. Fulani must leave our land. That is all we are saying. ESN.
Protect Biafra land.
ESN.
Protect Biafra land.
Protect Biafra land.
Yes, sir.